Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today guys, I'm going to be making some chicken tandoori curry. Here are the ingredients. So we've got 1 kg chicken breast diced. What we're going to do is we're going to wash this thoroughly before we use it for the marination. Okay guys, now that we have washed the chicken, we're going to start with the seasoning. So we're going to put in the tandoori masala, as you can see, add all that in. Then we're going to move on to adding in some Lancashire yogurt. As I've mentioned, 5 tablespoons of Lancashire yogurt, add that in. Thereafter we're going to add in the grated garlic and ginger. And now the 1 tablespoon of dried coriander. And the garam masala and salt will also need to be added in to the chicken mixture. And also some Kashmiri chili powder. If you guys prefer, you can add in some more chili powder if you wish. Depending on your how spicy you want it, you can add it in. Me personally, I like it spicy, so I add in a bit more chili powder. Now we're gonna put in cumin seeds. So add in the cumin seeds. Now ensure you wear gloves before you start mixing. Sometimes people mix and use your hands. Your hands might not be clean, so it's best to just wear gloves and make sure you mix it well. And then after you've used the gloves, take them off and get rid of them. Or you can just wash them and then reuse them. But me personally, I would get rid of them. Okay, as you can see now, guys, the marination is complete. So we will just leave that to a side. Now we will need to add in some oil to this cooking pan. I think that should be okay. Yep. Oh, I think I'm putting a bit more. Yeah, I'll put in a bit more. Now we've got chopped onions into diced pieces, bite-sized pieces. Just add that in to the oil and salt it for a couple of minutes until it's golden brown. See, it's got the crackling noise. You just leave it for a couple of minutes until you get the goldish brown colour, then you're good to go. Now I'm just going to place the lid and I'm going to leave it until it gets golden brown quicker. After a couple of minutes, as you can see, now the onions have become golden brownish. Okay, what we're going to do now is all the chicken that we marinated, we're going to put that in into the onion mixture from what we made the cooking pan. So we leave this in, I'm going to mix it now. Now that the chicken's been mixed well, we just need to place the lid on high heat for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, this is how the chicken looks. So just ensure to continue mixing. That's enough of the mixing. Now we'll place the lid on. It's not going. Oh, there you go. Now, after another 10 minutes, you can see that the water starting to boil up from the chicken. So we'll leave it, keep it on high heat, medium to high heat, and we just let it boil until the water evaporates. It's entirely up to you. If you want it to be a bit liquidy and you want it to be nice and liquid, then that's not a problem. But for me personally, I like my chicken a bit dry. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to add in half a cup of tomato puree. And once I've added this in, I'm just going to give it a little mix. I'm gonna place the lid on now and leave it on medium heat, and time for me to just prep the fresh coriander. As you guys can see, I'm super fast in cutting. Can't beat it. And that's the fresh coriander that's ready to garnish on top of the chicken tandoori curry. Okay, so now, as you can see, the water's boiling up more, and the chicken is literally going to be very delicate now, and it'll be very tender. So I'm just going to stir it a bit more. I'm actually going to taste to see if there's enough salt in here, and if there's any more required. From that taste, it seems like I do need a bit more salt, so I'm going to add in a little bit more. A word of advice for everyone: always check the amount of salt that you put in and taste it as well. If you feel there's less salt in there, you can always add it in and then mix it well. Now guys, it's time to garnish the chicken tandoori curry with some freshly cut coriander, which I was cutting before at super speed. So just add that in and mix it, and once you've mixed it, then that's your chicken tandoori curry complete. There you have it, guys. A complete chicken tandoori curry. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Jazakumullah khaira for watching. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.